if you're using an iPhone, you have an iCloud account. And if you have an iCloud account, then you can have what's called Find My. And under Find My, right there's Find My, you can also share your location with others, and others, all who have iPhones, can share their locations with you. Well, that's great. So I know my wife is downtown in Rockville, Maryland right now. However, there's another feature with Find My that may be enjoyable or useful as well. And I'm going to show you what that is right here, right now. If I go down here, I'm in Find My, and I can see where my wife is right now, and I can drill in and see if she's moving. But if I'm wondering when she's going to leave this location, I can ask Find My to tell me. Look down here when I click on where it says Rebecca Burris. Click on that, drag up a little bit, and come down here, and here's notifications. If I go to notifications, I can add a new notification, notify me, and I have it right now set up to notify me when she leaves Adventist Healthcare in Shady Grove. That's where she is right now with a friend. Now I can also ask the iPhone notify or Find Me to let me know when she arrives either to my current location or another location. Let me go find a location that I'm pretty sure she's going to. CVS Pharmacy, which is right there. Anywhere in that location, it will notify me. So when I hit the check mark, so now I know when she leaves her current location. And I also will get notified when she arrives to this location right here. Hit the check mark, and those are the notifications I set up. By the way, by doing that, what's going to happen, I think the check mark will say to me, Rebecca will be notified that you created this notification. So I can't do it clandestine, but I'm okay with her knowing that I want to know when she leaves where she is and when she arrives at the pharmacy. Hit OK. And now I have notifications set up so that I know when she leaves and when she arrives. iPhone, Find My, and notifications. Hey, I'm Teddy. I'm hoping that these ideas I share with you are useful for you and your family.